We detected a cyclone in Funafuti, the capital of Tuvalu. Please the habitants and residents of Funafuti please go to other place. In this moment is 73 grades because the cyclone create a cold in Funafuti. Government of UK and Tuvalu. This moment is raining and electric storm. This is so bad for our little country. We detected a cyclone in Funafuti, the capital of Tuvalu. Please the habitants and residents of Funafuti please go to other place. In this moment is 73 grades because the cyclone create a cold in Funafuti. Government of UK and Tuvalu. This moment is raining and electric storm. This is so bad for our little country. We detected a cyclone in Funafuti, the capital of Tuvalu. Please the habitants and residents of Funafuti please go to other place. In this moment is 73 grades because the cyclone create a cold in Funafuti. Government of UK and Tuvalu. This moment is raining and electric storm. This is so bad for our little country.